welcome to my workstation. Let me introduce to you what I have laid out here. I have my brown sugar, my cane sugar. This is organic cane sugar. I have my what's it called, my coffee. I have my lavender buds. I have my rice powder. Over here I have my labyrinth oil, which is a treatment oil, and I have my caraway oil or caraway serum. Then I have my licorice powder. I have my surfactant here, which is cocoa betaine, and I have my propylene glycol. As you all know, most of all these things here are edible, like the sugar, the coffee, the rice powder, even your licorice is edible. Here it's Snow White powder. If you do not have this Snow White powder, you can actually use Towers powder, the one, do I have it at home? Let me check. Yes, I mean this. You can also use this if in case you don't have the other Snow White powder. Towers can also go into this scrub. So if you're like, why Towers? They are all potassium alum. They're derived from alum, but potassium alum though, not sodium alum. So here is lavender buds. I know some of you will be like, why lavender? This would serve more for my, not only does lavender helps to heal acne breakouts, it helps to also unclog the pores, reduces inflammation, and it can help with other skin issues like eczema, and other skin irritation. It also helps to reduce wrinkle on the skin. So I love to use raw lavender buds. What I do is to take this lavender bud and take a little bit of this sugar and blend this to a powder. I'll show you guys all the process. And some of you know coffee. Now don't use Nescafe. All right, wait. Now this is Nescafe. Nescafe is smooth, kind of. This dissolves quickly in water when you add it to when it comes in contact with water. It will just melt easily because it's more like a fine coffee. It's fine product. So this other one is coffee bean blended out. I extracted this from my espresso capsule. So if you're using coffee, if you want to go for your coffee, you go for the coffee bean, then you have to blend it out to get a smooth blend such as this. But this, when it goes inside the water, it doesn't dissolve like the Nescafe. So this would also help to serve as your granule. And coffee is a source of nutrients and an antioxidant, which helps our skin a lot. It also helps to boost collagen level and reduce premature aging of the cells. Coffee is very, I don't want to bore you guys with all the function of all this stuff laid out here in order to make this video as short as possible. So what I like to do now is I'll get a bowl. I'll turn in part of my sugar here and take my lavender bud, put it in here, and I'll blend this out, and I'll bring us back. This is my blended lavender and the sugar. This smells great. So I just put on all the dry ingredients, put in your coffee, and we'll add our Snow White powder, two teaspoons, our licorice powder, 2 teaspoons as well. Then these are our Indian healing clay. This is a this helps to detoxify the skin. Like seriously, if you're that type that you're always experiencing tags all the time growing on your skin, try to do a mask with this or use this scrub frequently. It will help to reduce the appearance of the tags that you have on your skin, and also prevents new ones from growing on your skin. So what you want to do is to just mix up all these dry ingredients together. Wow, this is already smelling lovely with the coffee and the lavender coming in contact. Wow. So what I just do is to mix all this up completely. Now this serves more like a base for the scrub. Now I wouldn't want to mix all this with what's it called, with my hydrosol here. You can decide to use water to mix this up. I'm going to divide this and set half aside and mix the rest, because I'll use this one that I'm about to mix up now for myself. So what I did was to just remove about a cup, and I will mix up this. So now this is a treatment oil, Labjanese. You want to add 2 teaspoons of this. And this is Carovate serum. It says here that it's made up of kojic acid, ascorbic acid, citric acid, carrot extract, and that's it. The rest are just stabilizers, which is sodium metabosulfate, EDTA, which helps to actually kill bacteria and anions, probably in the water using making this. Now this says kojic acid, ascorbic acid, citric acid. Citric acid is an exfoliant. Citric is gotten from lemon. Ascorbic acid is your vitamin C, and your kojic acid is a natural lightening powder. Now some of you are like, won't this lighten me up? No, it is naturally derived. The kojic is actually gotten from fermentation of rice. Do you understand? So if you use this, let me just keep pouring and talking at the same time. When the whole process is to get your skin to have that bright look, to get your skin all cleaned up and polished, looking beautiful. Because if that is not your concern, you will not be like, what can I use on my skin? I'm a dark skin shade, what can I use to get me glowing? That's the reason why we're using these 2 oils. And remember, scrubs are not staying on your skin for a very long time. You're going to just probably use it and stay in the bathroom for the next 10 to 15 minutes, and you wash it out, right? And that will have, these serums and all that stuff that we added here would have done justice to your skin. And when you come out, you just come out and moisturize your skin with your cream or your body glow oil that you have at home. Now the trick is this: if you have like a routine where you scrub your skin for probably you scrub your skin 3 times a week, and you're using the scrub continuously that way, and you find out that okay, this scrub has actually given me that bright or beautiful glow that I'm looking for, you can now reduce it or stop this completely and replace it with argan oil. You replace it with argan oil or sunflower or any good moisturizing oil of your choice. Do you understand? And keep you know, your routine. That way you've cleaned your skin and you don't have that extra brightening oil in your formula. So now that you've added this oil, you just want to mix everything all together. So what I did was actually use my hand to, you know, mix it in properly. So the next thing you want to do now is to start adding your liquid. So you want to add to your own consistency. It depends on the consistency that you want your scrub to look. Now this is what this consistency looks right now. Add your propylene glycol. This is more like a penetrant. We just need a teaspoon. This will help to, you know, get all the whole nutrients, all the whole goodies we have here, you know, down to the dermis of your skin, you know. So you want to mix it in. Wow, this smells lovely. Now this is cocoa betaine. It's a surfactant that helps to, you know, give it a foaming boost, kind of, you know, more like a foaming agent. Now if you do not have this, or you're like, oh, where do I get cocoa betaine from? You can use this Dr. Brownie's castor body wash and add it. That can also serve. So don't go all worried, where do I get this from? You can replace this with your castor body wash. And yes, this is how you make your scrub. Now another thing you want to do is to add your preservative. I'll be using this almost at once. That's the reason why I divided this out. And each time I want to go to the bathroom, I'll just pour it in and add my cocoa betaine and put in my water and my propylene glycol, and I'll just mix it up and go scrub my body. So this just for one use. I'll be using up this tonight. So this is how you make your body scrub for dark skin color. If you have questions, drop it on the comment section and I'll answer you. If you feel you don't want to drop it in the comment section, send me a direct message on my WhatsApp. I will answer you. Okay guys, that will be all for this video. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel. Hit on the subscribe button below, hit on the notification bell beside it to get updated each time I upload a new video. Until my next video guys, keep that glow alive and I'll see you guys. Bye.